best way to build a successful medical practice did not involve endless networking, constant cold calling, or a packed waiting room. If you're an introverted physician, you've probably felt out of place in the volume-based healthcare system that we currently have, the one that takes insurance. So here's what I got for you. Direct care is not just a business model without insurance. It's a low-key, more impactful type of practice that restores the humanity in medicine. It's where you get to connect deeply with fewer patients, set your own pace, and build a practice that reflects your personality and upholds your values. So no more chasing volume, no more burnout, just high impact care, one that gets you excited to walk into your office every single day. I'm Dr. T, host of the Direct Care podcast for specialists and owner of a direct specialty care practice as a podiatrist. And I'm a longtime introvert who just wasn't fitting in the loud, noisy world that we currently live in. So I want to personally invite you to attend this talk and discover why introverts are uniquely positioned to thrive in direct care. Let's stop trying to fit into a broken system and build one that finally fits you.